someone's talking Jaguar new lingo. Just surprisingly distinct Hyundai Grand. The Grand new lingo. Hyundai.
Take a look at how the future of India is being shaped by innovation. Challenge for Zero, coming soon on ET Now.
राम सुंदर, तू कल से यूनिफॉर्म और कैप पहन के आ, व्हाइट कलर। ये रॉयल वाले के पास से पेट्रोल नहीं भरने का,
वहाँ स्कूटर वाले आते हैं।
फुल टैंक सादा। अरे राम सुंदर, इंटरनेशनल फ्लाइट मिस हो जाएगा।
Everyone will feel big with the new Fiat Linea Classic.
ब्यूटीफुल कार, I'll take it.
The new Fiat Linea Classic. Feel big.
D-Deco. Live beautiful. Your room next.
भैया कैसे दिए? 100 रुपए। 100 रुपए बोल रहा है। बेटा थोड़ा आगे चल।
थोड़ा यार पे थोड़ा।
थोड़ा आगे चल। थोड़ा आगे।
ये देश थोड़ा अलग है।
और कितने बांटने हैं?
अरे बस थोड़े ही हैं।
यहाँ सब कुछ थोड़ा। थोड़ा कनाडा से आने की खुशी, थोड़ा कनाडा जाने की उम्मीद, थोड़ा एडमिशन के लिए, थोड़ा सबमिशन, थोड़ा परमिशन, थोड़ा सिग्नेचर, थोड़ा टशन सिग्नल पे, थोड़ा इम्प्रेशन लड़कियों पे, थोड़ा मम्मी पापा के संस्कार।
थोड़ा आगे।
जिस देश में थोड़ा थोड़ा नहीं होता, उस देश के लिए हीरो माइलेज, थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा किलोमीटर्स पर लीटर।
राहें सपनों के आगे, आगे वो पीछे पीछे, ख्यालों से खिले हैं रंग, ख्यालों से खिलेंगे रंग, ख्यालों से खिलेंगे रंग, सोया खाबों की डाल के रंगों को सींचे सींचे सींचे, ख्यालों से खिले हैं रंग।
The most magical color experience. With Triluminous LED. Bravia. Sony.
फास्ट बॉलर या स्पिनर? लेफ्ट आर्म या राइट आर्म? बॉल. बॉल इज फॉर bowling, dude. For serious writing, Pilot V5.
Pilot with pure liquid ink and 3-dimple technology from Japan. Better than any cone tip.
No, my phone. Hi, how are you? Listen, just hold on.
Hello? Who's this? This is Mrs. Sharma.
The car loan that sir applied for 2 days back has been approved.
Car loan.
It's your birthday tomorrow, right? Happy birthday.
At Union Bank of India, your loan applications get faster processing along with proactive follow-up.
Surprise? It was.
Because your dreams are not yours alone.
Hi, I'm Shiri Joshi with Cisco Systems. Watch me on Capgemini Super Techies Show Season 2. Find out how 2013 Super Techies performed to conquer Cisco's business challenge.
Watch the 3 teams solve the Cisco challenge. Catch the Capgemini Super Techie Show Season 2 Cisco Special. On Times Now.
Thanks for staying with us. States are gearing up for the semi-final before 2014 and the fight to finish is intensifying in Rajasthan. Gloves are off between the Gehlot government and the BJP-led Vasundhara Raje. BJP released black paper on the ruling state government. Here's a complete report.
As Rajasthan goes to the polls on the 1st of December, it is open season in Jaipur, with both the BJP and the Congress fighting for the state. The Congress wants to ride the populist wave with a number of schemes targeted at the poor. But it's the BJP that looks to have the upper hand, alleging widespread corruption by the Gehlot government.
Because I don't believe that you govern a state, you put it on the right path, and then collect money to destroy the state all over again. You spend about 7,000, 8,000 crores on your own election campaign. Basically what you're doing is presenting, but it's not right to use the public money to do this. You cannot use the state money to project yourself.
In 2009, Ashok Gehlot rode an anti-incumbency wave to form the government with 98 seats. But this time he faces trouble. His ministers are embroiled in sex scandals and rape charges, and he battles charges of nepotism.
अशोक गहलोत ने बेटे को राजस्थान सरकार का बेटा बनकर काम करने का लाइसेंस दिया। मॉरिशस की कोई बेनामी कंपनी का पता बताकर 162 करोड़ रुपये हिंदुस्तान में लाए गए। फेयरमाउंट होटल से लेके कहां उसका निवेश किया गया।
But Gehlot still believes he can take the Congress home, banking on the newly launched food security scheme and direct benefits transfer.
Every opposition government will come up with a black paper. They've done it in Delhi, they've done elsewhere, and I can also tell you, when opposition becomes reactive about development, it shows that the development claims of the government are hurting the opposition.
On the 8th of December, the people of Rajasthan will know who will govern them for the next 5 years. And if pollsters are to be believed, Vasundhara Raje could well be gearing up for another term in the top office. Bureau Report, Times Now.
That's all we have time for in this newscast. Stay with us. The Power of Shunya coming up next. Get on time.
रंग रेज़ा क्या हुआ?
Presenting Wild Stone Red. It happens.
Every day, treat your skin to a fruity milkshake, enriched with mixed fruit, cream and vitamin E. New Vivelle. It deeply nourishes your skin, so it glows. Milkshake for your skin. New Vivelle Skin Nourishing Soap.
Deep in the jungle of Mount Savino, we search for endangered animals which we may never see again. From a single strand of hair to the faintest wrinkle, UHD brings every detail to life before your very eyes. Discover true detail. Samsung UHD TV.
Look what we got. Nice, What's happening?
Morphy Richards. Smart ideas for your home.
इंडिया में कहीं भी जाएं, जस्ट डायल की सर्विस 250 शहरों में है, जैसे कि बैंगलोर, मैंगलोर, इंदौर, कोयम्बटूर, मैसूर, चंडीगढ़, भुवनेश्वर, जयपुर, दुर्गापुर, कोल्हापुर, नागपुर, जमशेदपुर, उदयपुर, दिल्ली, अहमदाबाद, हैदराबाद, इलाहाबाद, मुंबई, चेन्नई, पुणे, गोवा, पटना, लुधियाना, शिमला, देहरादून, लखनऊ, विशाखापट्टनम, भोपाल, नासिक, तिरुवनंतपुरम, पौंडीचेरी, पुरी, मदुराई, तिरुपति, रांची, सिलीगुड़ी, कोची, कोलकाता, नालंदा, बाकी के शहर अगले सीजन। justdial.com 0 और 10-12-8 कुछ भी कभी भी कहीं भी।
भैया कैसे दिए? 100 रुपए। 100 रुपए बोल रहा है बेटा, थोड़ा आगे चल।
थोड़ा यार मैं थोड़ा
आगे चल। थोड़ा आगे।
ये देश थोड़ा अलग है।
और कितने बांटने हैं? अरे बस थोड़े ही हैं।
यहाँ सब कुछ थोड़ा थोड़ा कनाडा से आने की खुशी, थोड़ा कनाडा जाने की उम्मीद, थोड़ा एडमिशन के लिए थोड़ा सबमिशन, थोड़ा कमीशन, थोड़ा सिग्नेचर, थोड़ा पैशन सिग्नल पे, थोड़ा इम्प्रेशन लड़कियों पे, थोड़ा मम्मी पापा के संस्कार।
थोड़ा आगे।
जिस देश में थोड़ा नहीं होता, उस देश के लिए हीरो माइलेज, थोड़ा एक्स्ट्रा किलोमीटर्स पर लीटर।
Deep in the jungle of Mount Savino, we search for endangered animals which we may never see again, from a single strand of hair to the faintest wrinkle. UHD brings every detail to life before your very eyes. Discover true detail. Samsung UHD TV.
Every ounce, every bounce, every pounce, every drop, every hop, every stomp, every jump, every bail,
Every ball, every bat, every side, every win, every swing, every hit, every face, every miss, every pitch, every hit, every soil, every gasp, every gallop, every whoop, every scoop,
every duck, every buck,
every laugh, every clap, every flash, and flutter and mutter, every green, every blue, every cut, every hook, every one, every 2, 3, every 4, every 6, every out, every shot, every joy, every big.
Toshiba LED TV Cricket Series, co-created by Sachin for richer, sharper, crisper cricket.
Safety cannot be taken for granted, and yet most of us don't pause to think it until it is too late. In the 21st century, too many incidents have threatened the safety of Indians, from terrorist attacks to collapsing of buildings to accidents on the road. India hasn't exactly been at the top of the safe list. But if we are to compete with the most powerful economies in the world, then we are going to have to improve our safety record across a host of areas. Whether it means improving our vehicle surveillance, ensuring the safety of our buildings, or providing for a safe, secure, growing economy. In this episode, we go further in the quest for Shunya and hone in on a new kind of zero safety concerns in order to increase our overall well-being. Today's bad guys, terrorists, mafia and anti-state guerrillas are using vehicles not only as their means of transportation, but also as explosive devices. We've all seen James Bond chasing down the bad guys with the help of an electronic tracking device. Now imagine if we had a similar technology in the real world. Well, it turns out that we do. When Kapil Bardeja and Anup Prabhu conceived Critical Secure Scan, they were trying to outthink the dangerous elements and beat them at their own game. What they have created is the latest tool in our fight towards zero safety concerns and maximum peace of mind.
I've seen examples of families who've been completely devastated by the loss of life of one key important member in their family. As a result, I've seen that protecting lives should be one key should be one area which should be given a lot of importance. Unfortunately, in India, the thinking and the mentality does not always follow this trend. As a result, I would say that any amount of